Hello everyone, you can see me here, Manoj. So now I am here to tell something about my problem. Maybe there may be other people, maybe your some loved ones, who have the same kind of problem or issue. Maybe it is unknown from a long time and they are suffering. Maybe it could be anyone in America and other developed countries. They usually check if they, and there is more awareness in people, so it can be diagnosed easily there, and they are well equipped also. They have more technology, but in the context of Nepal, there is poverty, all, and with the less resources, people don't think in the such advanced way. And if you have problem something with related to the stomach, then people, they just refer you to the general medicine, and they ask you to take simple drugs just to get antibiotics or something like that, and then they will send you back to home, and then your body will become healthy one day, and after 2-3 days onwards you will have the same problem. Let's not make delay, and I will tell you what the exact problem I have. The problem that I have is the celiac disease. Celiac disease, maybe very less people in Nepal know about it. Actually, celiac disease is a kind of food allergy. It's a kind of food allergy. If you have something that contain gluten means anything. Gluten means a kind of protein contained in the wheat, barley, rye, millet, and oats seeds, and plants maybe, and it's a protein. If you have it anything with barley, rye, millet, oats products, then when you have it, and it get digested and get into your blood, and when your immune system find that there is gluten, then your immune system don't consider it as nutrition or food, and it reacts, it produces anti-transglutaminase or something like that, and that will damage the villi from your small intestine and stomach. And if I have to tell you about the villi is a finger-like projection. If that villi is damaged, then your body will have less absorption. It means if you eat full plate of food, your body will not get chance to have full plate of food, because it cannot absorb all the food, because there is no villi is damaged there. Only very less amount of nutrition goes into your body. And the other problem you will have when you have this problem is that your villi, in the villi there is a kind of cells making filtration or something like that. If your villi is broken because of that kind of reaction, then undigested food, it means food should be digested properly. Food should get into the small element, and then only it can pass through that villi wall and then get into your blood. If it is broken, then undigested food particles, before it is broken into small particle, get into your body, and then your whole immune system reacts like there is, what if too much enemies come into your territory, then what will happen to them? So obviously your country will defend yourself, right? Similar like that, your immune system try to attack them and prepare prepare antibody for those things, and you know there would be many more problem because of that condition. And then I learned something like that. Actually, I'm not a medical person or something like that. I'm just patient from this problem, so I'm sharing you my feelings, my knowledge for you guys. So take it as a sharing only, discussion or something like that only. Don't take it as a prescription or something like that. You can take my knowledge and then you can discuss with your doctor or specialist to know about your problem. I was talking about the gut, right? If you have such a problem, then your villi is broken in such a way, then you will have a severe problem. Like from the doctors, resources from like dead made source, I studied too much video about gastroenterology specialist giving speech. From that I learned like that 90% of your immune system or 90% of your is directly related to the gut. If there is problem in the gut, then your whole body will have a problem. So you know that because of the damage of the villi, your body will have less nutrition. Maybe you will have malnutrition or something like that, and that will obviously damage your development. Since my childhood, I know that my youngest friends, they grew, my juniors, they grew more than even me. Sometimes I might have called them brothers, big brothers also, something like that. I feel ashamed to say so, but it's hard for the children. When I was in my childhood, nobody cares about that, and I had suffer and suffer all life, suffer. Later with my own consciousness and what with curiosity, I find out my problem. It's really hard, what to tell it. Living with the celiac disease since the childhood to the up to age of 20 or 21, like that, the whole year growing age, developing age, that is destroyed, that is just wasted. And I don't think that is good for anyone to live a healthy and good life. Maybe with this video we at least can share with our friends, families, so that one day we can make all people aware about this celiac disease. It's just a simple problem. If you avoid those gluten, wheat, barley, rye, millet, oats, or if you avoid all those things, then you just have to eat rice, dal and vegetable. That's enough for you. You can have those things. You can have 3 times a day those things. That's enough for you and for a good healthy life. But if you have something like that, chow mein or momo or biscuits or any pastries, most of the fast foods are made from those wheat flours. So fast foods should be avoided. Eating out should be avoided. Should only eat in your home. On the other way, it is good for your health and for the long life also. If you do so, that is good for you. And I would like to tell you people to share this video to everyone, so that we can make people conscious, so that they could know a little bit about this problem. Almost people don't know about this problem, and maybe many people suffering. In America, out of 100, there is like 9 cases of celiac, 9% having celiac disease. It means out of 100%, there is 9% of celiac disease in America. and in the global trend. But in Nepal, we don't know about this problem. Maybe there should be in Nepal as well. What do we know, right? There we can find many people suffering from the problem, something like that, having stomach problem from long time. If you have such a problem, you can go to the doctor, specialist, gastroenterologist, then you can ask them for the what we call this one endoscopy. Then they can easily find your problem. They will put a pipe like things with a camera into your stomach, and they can see your villi, how good is it, and they will take a biopsy and they will send it to check in lab, and then they will know easily whether you have celiac disease or not. That's not that very much expensive also. In the government hospital like Beer Hospital, it cost only 1500 or 2000, something like that. It's very less amount of money. So I would like to suggest people who have stomach problem or any digestive issue from the long time, you better avoid those Ayurvedic or any others medicine. It's better to have one time taste and then find what's your actual truth problem is, and then you can do Ayurvedic or any medicine. And other thing I wanted to share with you people is that if you want to live a healthy and a good life, for that, from my findings, I found that you need to eat food that comes from the soil. That's the best food you can have. If you have any problem, the nature, maybe I'm talking too much, the condition of the nature, it is deteriorating every day. Like your body is also the part of the nature, same thing. That's why I'm mentioning this topic. Like in the dinosaur time, there was like destruction, right? Everything was destroyed, but the nature reforms again, right? Like the nature, mother nature, our human body is also a part of nature. If you let it free, then it will get healed automatically. You just don't need to input garbage. If you input garbage, there will be garbage output, right? That's we studied in computer. And the same thing is applied in your human body also. If you have something healthy food, healthy nutrition, then obviously your body will become healthy. Here, the main thing I want to tell is that the main point is that if you eat only the things made from the soil, it means only plant-based diet, avoiding gluten, wheat, barley, rye, millet, oats, then this could lead to the best. This could solve any problem, any health issues, slowly, but not at first, like the not very fast, but in the long term you will certainly get a healthy and beneficial healthy life. That's knowledge I want to share. Maybe I didn't talk in the proper way because I'm not used to with it. Later I will learn more and then make better video like this. I hope you like this video and enjoy it. Thank you.